Hi, how are you? Everyone, parents and students, are you fine? Are you good? What about stay at home is fine? Huh? Okay, thank you. Now, my name is Tadela. Today I'm going to teach you about of greeting. You know greeting. What does it mean greeting? What the meaning of greeting? You must write at home, everyone. Greeting means now, I'm going to start, I'm going to define for you greeting. What does it mean greeting, you know? Greeting means, what does it mean greeting? The means of salutation. Greeting means the means of salutation. It is the message that express good wish. The good or the best example of greeting, this all is the good example of greeting. There is two people or two students, A, B, A, B, A, B. This one is a student. He say what? Student A is what? Hi, how are you? B is what? I am fine, and you? How are you doing? Pretty well. How do you do? How do you do? These all are the best example of greeting. You know types of greeting? How many types of greeting? There are two types of greeting. The first one is what? Formal greeting. The first one is formal greeting. The second one is informal greeting. Now we are going to start at the top, which means formal greeting. Formal greeting, these all are the best example of formal greeting. Hello, how are you? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night. These all are the best or the good example of formal greeting. What does it mean formal greeting, by the way? What does it mean formal greeting? Formal greeting means, you know formal greeting? We use this greeting, the people who you do not know well, or whose rank or status is higher than yours. Which means I'm going to teach you, I'm going to draw for you a picture. This one is a good example of formal greeting. This one is A. A is what? 24 years old. What about B? A is 24 years old. What about B? B is 45 years. These two people or these two students is not the same rank or is not the same age. A is less than B. A means what? 24 years old. What about B? 45 years old. Which means A is less than B. B is greater than A. That's why, you know what, formal greeting, the people who you do not know well or whose rank or status is higher than yours means what, like this, you know. By the way, if you meet someone, if you meet someone is not the same age, don't say greeting like this. Don't say like hi. You must use what? Like you must respect that people. You must greet him like that. Hi, how are you? Don't give salutation or don't give your greeting like this. That's all about the formal greeting. The second one is, you know what? Informal greeting. The second one is informal greeting. It is the type of greeting we use for our closely friend or our best friend, which means the same status, which means the same rank, you know. That's why, you know, informal greeting. Hi, this too is the good example of informal greeting. Hi, what's up? You know, this one is a picture. This one is picture A. 23 years old. This one is picture B. 23 years old. They are the same age. They are the same status. They are the same rank, you know. Informal greeting is same age, the same status, the same rank. We can use they like this, you know. A is equal to B. B is equal to A. That's why informal greeting, we can use this greeting, the same age, the same rank, and the same status. You see, hi, what's up? If you meet on the way, your best friend, you greet him or you give him salutation like this, hi, because of what? He is your status. Because of what? He is your the same rank. That's why, you see now, this one is the good example of informal greeting. Hi, what's up? Hi, how is it? Okay, today that's all about greeting. If you have a question, if you have a suggestion, you must call me. If you have any information, you must call me. You know my phone number. I am teacher Tadele. This one is all about greeting. If you have any suggestion, you must call me. Please, by the way, I have a message. I have a message to parents and students. Please, please, please stay at home and save your life and pray nicely. Thank you.